Is up, my beauties? Welcome back to my channel. We are getting into another makeup tutorial today. This is my bronze fall inspired makeup tutorial for you guys today. You guys don't mind me. You guys know your girl be singing in the background, just dancing, doing whatever she wants. So I did just put on my favorite, it is a body lotion, but I'm really running out of primer at the moment. I had to get some more. So I'm using that NYX pore filler and also some of that coconut and vitamin E oil body lotion, and just priming up my skin to put on all this makeup. And we are going to carve out these brows, beauties, because you know, you guys, we got to get slayed up. You know, we got to have these on fleek, okay? And you guys, I'm just going in with my favorite concealer brush. This is my flat concealer brush that I did purchase from Ulta for about 10 bucks. And I've been loving it ever since. I always use it to cut my crease, to do literally anything with my makeup looks. And then we're going into the Zulu by Juvia's Place palette, and we're taking that orange shade. And we're starting out with that, and I did put this in real time for you beauties as well, so you guys can see my techniques and how I blend out these colors. So I am just, you know, using that sweeping motion and also circular motion as well, so we can get that, you know, smoky effect. And then I'm also going into my 352 Second Nature palette and taking that orange shade as well, and we're popping those two colors together to get, like, you know, this little beautiful type of orange. And then we're going back into the Zulu by Juvia's, and we're popping on that yellow shade, and we're popping that right on top of where we put our orange, and we're just about to smoke it out and blend these two colors perfectly together. We're going back into the 352 Second Nature palette, and I'm taking those two brown shades and I'm popping those on a little bit lower than where I put my orange shade. So I did go and got you guys with the light shades. I wanted to try some different techniques. So it really did come out very well, beauties. I'm just taking those brown shades, blending that on the bottom of where I did put those pigments, and I'm just blending all three of these colors together to get that gradient effect. So we can get this, you know, smoked out fall type of vibe over here. And you guys, I'm just cutting my crease. I did speed this up a little bit. So I'm just cutting my crease with the flat concealer brush. So where we did put that dark brown shades and those beautiful fall, you know, color, kind of reminds me of like some fall leaves. It gives you a lot of fall vibes. So right where we cut the crease, you guys can see that beautiful brown. And then we're going into the Love Sign Zodiac palette. We're taking Leo and Cancer. They're two beautiful shimmery shades, kind of like a yellow type orange shades. And we're just popping that onto my lid where I did cut my crease so we can get that shimmer on there. And I'm going in with my little glitter bottles that I have over here, you guys. I did purchase a big thing of glitter from Target. I literally only got it for 17 bucks because you guys can find glitter, buy glitter from other places, but really this is a snag, girl, because they have literally like, I don't even know how many glitters. You guys see all these glitters for only 17 bucks, and you guys know that some of the websites, if you guys have been on Instagram, sell them for like $2, $5 for one, and you can get, for 17 bucks, you can get all of those glitters. So I think that's a snag, girl. And then I did just blend in those, not blend, you guys. I did mix those two glitters together to get this beautiful kind of golden vibe with these glitters. So I really did like how it came out mixing these two together. And then I am just popping on my NYX glitter primer, and then I'm popping, after I do pop on that primer, I'm popping the glitter right on top, and it just sticks right onto where I cut my crease. And now I'm just smoking out my lower lash line. I'm just taking that orange from the Zulu palette and also from the Morphe 352 Second Nature palette, and we're blending those colors all together. You know, that brown, that yellow. We're just basically doing what we did on the top of our eye on the bottom. And then I'm popping on some lashes, you guys. I really do not know what types of lashes these are. I have so many that I literally just reuse, you guys. These lashes are more natural looking, but they're very extravagant and beautiful at the same time as natural. And oh my gosh, you guys, the hype about this Juvia's Place foundation, you guys. I fell in love with this foundation as soon as I purchased it and I tried it out. Like, oh my gosh, if you guys are looking for a full coverage foundation, I would highly recommend you guys to get this. It is more of on the higher price, you know, but it's not too expensive. But it does, you guys can see literally it covered up my whole mole that's on my face. Like, you guys, this is a freaking full coverage. Like, you will get, definitely, if you're looking for full coverage, this is the foundation to go for. And I'm also just taking my concealer. It's my Milani Conceal Perfect, and I'm just going under where we do our main parts, where we highlight, and just taking my concealer, and we're going to blend that out with the Beauty Blender so we can get all highlighted up beauties, okay? And I also am setting under as well. I did not show it, but you guys know, if you guys watch my previous videos, I'm going in with the Banana Luxury setting baking powder, and I'm just putting that in. This is usually the powder that I always use because I have a bunch of it left. I really do want to try out another powder. Comment down below what powders you guys would recommend to me. I've heard very good reviews about the Laura Mercier setting powder. I've heard that's really good. Comment down below which setting powder you guys love the most. And I'm just going in with this NYX contour stick. I just recently did purchase this. I really did like it. I haven't had like a more of like a, you know, a liquid contour. I've more always had just powder contour. So working with this, I really did like working with this, so it gave me something different to, you know, try out, and I really would highly recommend it. It's not too expensive, you guys. You guys can purchase this at Ulta as well. I usually always shop at Ulta, you guys. But I really would highly recommend this contour. I really did like it. It did blend out smooth with my contour brush that I am using right here from e.l.f. And then we're going into the Sahara Volume 2, I believe. It's a blush palette. I love these colors, you guys, that are in this. I usually don't use it as well because I don't like using blush that much, but I did feel like using it in this video for this fall-inspired tutorial, so we did go into that. And then I'm using my Makeup Revolution Luster Gold Liquid Highlighting liquid, and we're just, you know, highlighting the main part so we can get glow to the gods, beauties, okay? And you guys, don't forget that Cupid's bow. You guys gotta literally look slayed to the gods, okay? And I'm just taking my e.l.f. brush and I'm just highlighting with that as well, and just blending all of that highlight in together so we can get, you know, a good super, you know, glowy glow that you're literally gonna light up the night with, girl. And then I'm also topping it with the Wet n Wild loose setting highlight. I did not show it, but I'm topping that as well so I can get more of a highlight, like a double highlight. And then I'm going in with, I believe, my Black Radiance. It's like a deep red color. I love it for fall. It doesn't have a name to it, but it's a very beautiful color. I would recommend for you guys to check it out. It's from the Black Radiance line, and it's matte as well. And I'm just blending in my regular lashes with my false lashes and getting this, you know, look to come together. And then I also did pop in the neon pigment as well, you guys, from Dozura Cosmetics on Instagram. And I hope you beauties did enjoy this video. Thank you so much for staying tuned. Hit that like and subscribe button if you guys did enjoy this video. And thank you so much, beauties, and I will see you guys on my next one. Love you. Bye.